Ignoring the P0702 code could kill your transmission. Don't drive another mile until you watch this. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel where we make car care simple, fun and stress-free. Today we are tackling the P0702 trouble code, a common issue that can cause transmission problems in your car. If you've got a check engine light and this code, don't panic. I'll walk you through what it means, the possible causes, and how to fix it yourself. Let's get started. What is the P0702 code? The P0702 engine trouble code signifies a problem with the transmission control system electrical. Common symptoms of the P0702 code. Check engine light is illuminated, transmission slipping while shifting gears, rough or irregular shifting, decreased fuel efficiency. The vehicle may go into limp mode. Common causes of the P0702 trouble code. Faulty transmission control module, TCM, low or dirty transmission fluid, wiring or connector issues, failed solenoids or sensors, mechanical transmission problems. 1 Methods to fix P0702 code. Method A. The transmission control module. Inspect the TCM. The TCM is typically located either directly on the transmission or very close to it. Visually examine the TCM for any signs of damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. Replace the TCM. If damage is found, the TCM should be replaced with a new one. Wiring and connectors. Inspect the wiring and connectors to the TCM for any damage or corrosion, and repair or replace them as needed. Transmission fluid. Check the level and condition of the transmission fluid. Ensure it is at the correct level and not dirty or burnt. Sensors. Check for faulty sensors that may be sending incorrect information to the TCM. TCM reset. In some cases, a TCM reset might help resolve minor issues. If you have tried these fixes and the code keeps coming back, it's time to see a transmission specialist. There might be internal damage or a complex electrical issue. That's it for today. Hopefully, this guide helps you tackle the P0702 and get your transmission running smoothly again. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.